I'm Alexandra Matsalongo. I'm going to be going over the course content YouTube video for Math for Teachers, J Hall. The homework is not letting me pick out which one, I can go over it, so I'm just going to be telling you what I remember from it. I am picking 5.2 addition and subtraction integers. I had used magnets. They're magnets, but there was red ones I remember, and there was black ones, and so I have a whole bag full that I use for the whole thing because I have to be able to see pictures in order to understand the whole process of it. So whenever there was -2, these would be the -2s. There's 1, 2, and the red one were the negatives plus 1, and this would be the black would be the positives. And so I had used them for that, and then I had used a calculator for whenever it was bigger numbers. I didn't have enough magnets for it, but I still somewhat drew a picture. I had -23 plus 25, and I had gotten the answer from the calculator because I didn't have enough of these, but I still drew a picture, which I would just put lines, and then I'd get a different color pen and I'd write the red. So I had used that for the whole situation. So for an example, we had -5 plus 3, and that was +2, so I had 1, 2, 3 of those, and then I had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and I had put them together as this. I'm sorry, I cannot turn my camera around, but I had all of them like this with each other. And so here's a pair, so that one got kicked out. Here's a pair, that one got kicked out, and here's a pair, so that one got kicked out. So I had 2 negatives, so it would be -2. And so I had used those for especially all of the smaller number ones. And so I just had them all laying out. And so for another example, I had -10 plus 4. And so I had taken -10. I had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I had 10 red magnets out. Sorry. And so then it had +4. So I had 1, 2, 3, 4. And so I had paired them up again. So there's one pair, there's one pair, and then there's another pair, and then one more pair. And I had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I had six negatives, and so I had gotten -6. I had used this a lot because I have to be able to picture stuff instead of seeing it in example, and those really didn't have examples, so I had to use a picture instead. And so let's say I had -100 plus 265. Those were the big numbers that I had to use this calculator for. So I had -100 plus 265, and it was +165. I'm sorry, I have bad light in here. And so I had to use this, and then another one, let's use bigger numbers, -1,236 plus 2,545. So I would put that into my calculator, plus 2, 4, 5, 4. And I got 1,309 for the whole situation of the negatives and positive integers. And so another thing is we were going around, I work at a school, we were going about this too. And I had to show the kids look, this, I do the same thing as y'all. And so I helped them a lot with using these just because they have props there too for, seeing it for kids who don't know how to see it. And so this really did help with the whole situation. And I just want to say thank you for watching, and bye-bye.